Hey there, YouTube, France Hopper here. Happy President's Day. It's Monday, the 21st of February, and if our devices have a dark mode, why doesn't our stationery have one as well? This is volume 20 of Maido in a Box, the Blackout edition. Let's take a look. Alright, so let's open up volume 20 and take a look at what we have for this month. This volume was called Blackout, and so there's supposed to be kind of darker than normal stationery in this edition. So I will of course put a link to all of the product cards down in the description below, or you can scan the QR code that pops up on the screen. And yeah, it looks like we have some interesting stuff here with some kind of recently released items. So let's open it up and take a better look at what we have. So our goodies for the month, looks like there's a very dark ink in there, of course. And I believe over here we have the standard kit, or actually this might be Deluxe. Nope, I believe that's actually Deluxe. And then this should be standard. So let me move the box off to a side here. And yeah, looks like this is going to be an interesting box for sure. Let's set that box over there and we'll open things up. So let's go ahead and start with the extras for the month. Looks like we have one of those kind of dip pen things again. Yep, we sure do. And I still haven't used one of these yet, but guess this would be the hint to take a look at one of those in greater detail and see what it really does. Not sure what this is. I wonder if this is one of those build your own pens. It's a Jelly Roll 10 from Sakura. Let's see. Okay, I guess this might just be a white pen, which would make sense if we're going to be writing on dark paper. And then the ink, I'm not sure what happened there. It almost kind of looks like it might have exploded in transit. Actually, yeah, I think that leaked everywhere in transit, because that's actually a empty vial. Oh dear. Glad they put extra wrapping on these, because yeah, that'd be why. Yep, well, that's definitely a dark ink. I cannot tell what it was supposed to be because it is completely covered up. Maido, if you're watching this, I really don't need a replacement. Please don't send me one. I have a million ink vials on my desk, though. So please, please, please don't send me one. But if you want to let me know what color that was supposed to be, you can certainly do that. That's fine with me. Anyway, moving on, let's take a look at what we have as our standard kit items here, which is going to be these guys right here. And as soon as I figure out how this is wrapped... Oh, it is. Okay, I think it's folded 3 ways this time. Yes, it is. All right, there we go. So it looks like we have some more of that tape from MT. We got one in black, one in white. See some more juice up pens in here. From Zebra, we got some rather sparkly looking Sarasa pen set. So let's take all of that out there. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start with the juice up pens from Pilot. Looks like we have a set of 3. These look like they're probably all 0.4 millimeter. Yep, so we got like kind of a teal green, a white, and then a very bright pinkish sort of color. Probably would have left that for next month's box, actually, because next month is going to be all about cherry blossom viewing. So that's going to be a cool one. So then also from Pilot, this is the Black notebook, obviously. This appears to be a B5 size dot rule. So you know what, let's go ahead and slide that out there. And oh yeah, that is definitely dark mode. So, yep, you can probably barely see the dots there. Very cool. And then, of course, to spice that up from Zebra, we do have the Deco Shine Color 5 color set. Those look very, very sparkly, all 0.5 millimeters. You have a yellow, I want to say that's kind of a grayish white. Then you definitely have a blue, and again, a very light green, and a kind of pinkish red. So, very cool there. And then from Kalmoe, we have the MT Washi masking tape in matte black and white. So you can choose the dark side or the white or the light side. Dark side probably has cookies. Or at least they keep saying they do. I've never had them actually give me cookies though, so maybe don't trust them on that. Alright, so if we move that off to the side, we can take a look at what we have in the Deluxe kit next. Looks like, ooh, that looks like a very big pencil holder or something in there. Marker and some correctional tape. Alrighty, very cool. Yep, and I always destroy one bag a video, and looks like Deluxe to be the one that gets destroyed today. Oh well. Alright, so let me toss that bag off to the side now that it's in a few different pieces. So, first up from Midori, this is a quick tape cutter. Oh, so actually this isn't correctional tape. So this is to, you would load the tape that came in the standard kit into this, and then it would chop it up for you. Well, that's actually kind of cool. I've never seen a tape dispenser like this, but this actually makes a tremendous amount of sense. Cool. I might actually have to set this thing up and utilize all the washi tape that we've gotten in all the boxes. Next, let's take a look at this gigantic thing. This is from Kokuyo. It's the tool pen case. And let's see, there is a front pocket. Actually, there appear to be multiple pockets. All right, let's see. So it snaps open. Oh, okay, so this is how this works. There's like a pocket here, then kind of another pocket space here, some more there, arguably another one there, lots and lots of pockets, and then in the center here you have this snap enclosure that if you open it up, you have even more pockets. This is actually kind of cool. I kind of like this. Nifty. Very nifty. And then finally, from Tombow, we have a mono twin. So it looks like you have a smaller 0.4 millimeter tip on the end here, like so. And then on the other side, you have a 0.8 millimeter, so slightly thicker, although that still looks pretty thin to me. And this allegedly is smudge proof, so very nice. So that looks like that is it for volume 20. I figured this would be a kind of interesting box to see how they'd managed to come up with some kind of darker themed stationery, and you know, obviously with the dark notebook there, that's probably about the best you can do. And then of course some nice bright pens to brighten everything up. So there you have it. That is volume 20, the Blackout version of Maido in a Box. I will hopefully see you next month for volume 21, which has been called Hanami, or flower viewing in Japanese, because the next month would be about the time that cherry blossoms would be coming out. So until then, thank you so much for watching. That is it, and I'll see you next month.